Hey, how's it going, guys? Daniel here. And finally, after 2 years of being on Android and on the web only, Google Keep finally arrives to iOS. So Google Keep is a reminder slash note app for the iPhone now. So you can remember stuff or just take notes of stuff that you need to be reminded of as well. Uh, so when I was on Android, Google Keep was one of my favorite Android apps that I used every single day. Like it was the most used Google app I used. And when I switched to iOS, I was sad because the Google Keep wasn't on iOS. And 2 years after, Google decides to release it this week. Google Keep to iOS. So like I said, you could create notes. So if you just go to the bottom here, to bottom left, you tap there, you create a note. And then, so if you create a note, so I'm just gonna write random stuff, and then space, and then if you want, you could change the color of it. So like this, or there we go, something like that, bright. You can add a photo if you wanted to. You can add people if you want. I'm not going to allow that. So it's really useful app too. It's one of my favorite apps, like I keep saying. And I like the design of it. So if you want it like this, like a sticky note kind of style, like if you have post, you'll probably use it like this, or you can switch it to line views like this, so you know what you need to do. But I like this view better just because I could see much more stuff instead of scrolling a lot. You can add voice into it, so if you need to remind it about stuff, you can add a voice, which as you can see here, there's just a voice. What I like about this app, what I like about Google Keep is how if you use the voice recorder, it also makes it as a note as well. So if you don't want to play it out loud, maybe you're in public, you don't want to play it out loud, you can just read what you recorded, or if you have headphones, you could play it instead your recordings. You can add pictures to it, so you could be reminded of stuff there, or you could just add more stuff. So if you want to delete one note, so like read a book, I could delete by holding it, and then by going here and delete, and it's gone. So it's an awesome free app which you could get right now in the iOS store or the App Store, whatever you want to say it as, for free. And I recommend that you do. A lot of people saying that this is the Evernote killer that Google created. I'm not sure if it is, but it just could be the Evernote killer if you think it is. And yeah, so it's one of my favorite. Like I said, you could go and get it for free. And yeah, and I recommend you guys go and get it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.